on, guys? Lawson with Custom Offsets. Today's video, we got another spotlight for you guys. This is a 2020 5th Gen Ram 1500 sitting on a 6-inch lift, 22s, 35s. Check it out. Alrighty, guys, so to start things off, we are going to be talking about the lift kit first. That's how he was able to stuff these wheels and tires in here. So the lift kit is a 6-inch BDS lift kit. And up front, he actually has Bilstein shocks, and then the rest of his lift kit is actually custom powder coated in purple. Purple seems to be the theme this year, so a lot of purple suspension going on. So up front, he's got his cross member purple, he's got his coil spring purple, he's got his knuckle purple, and he also has all of his brackets and whatnot purple down there as well. So moving into the wheels, we got a 22 by 12 negative 44 offset Hostile Rage. This is one of my favorite Hostile wheels. Super aggressive and a really clean looking wheel. This is in just the flat satin black, which I think was the right move. I saw a couple other trucks that have just the satin black, not the black and milled, and it looks perfect. So moving into the tires, we got a 35 12.5 R22 tire in the Nitto Ridge Grappler. One of the best tires on the market, so awesome to see him match up his Hostile with a Nitto Ridge Grappler. Moving down the truck, you can see he's got his spring in the back, that's purple, a bunch of other suspension components that are also purple, but he actually has the Fox 2.0 shocks in the rear with a purple boot to go along with all the rest of the purple. That's pretty much it. Moving up to the front, you do see there is a purple tow hook up front. Other than that, that's about it on this 2020 Ram 1500. A great start to this build. I don't know if he's just building a daily driver or if he plans to do more stuff to this truck, but nonetheless, a fantastic start on this 2020 Ram 1500. Now, if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, customoffsets.com. We'll see you on the next one.